Hello, my name is Eva. I'm 26 years old. Just graduated a cybersecurity course at John Bryce. There I gained knowledge in Linux systems, Windows, penetration testing, and much, much more. I'm currently studying in the RTX course at Think Cyber. The training is very hands-on. We write scripts in Bash, Python, and work on topics that are part of the OECP exam. I found myself especially drawn to threat analysis and incident response. I really enjoy using forensics and automation to understand how attacks happen and how we can respond effectively. Right now, I'm working at security job at Central Hospital, but I want to move forward to the cybersecurity field. So let's get on to the simulator at the Cyberium Arena. As you can see here, we're at the page of the Cyberium Arena. You have the access training, lab status, scenarios. You can track everything you do. In the labs, you can see you have the extra practice also, as well as the test, so you can really get into depth in each subject. The best part in the simulator is the scenario. So I think for a cybersecurity student is the best thing because you have the score, you have the total errors, but the simulator can pinpoint your weakness and strength. The script I build is for the Windows Forensics module, and we start the script. The script asks us for a full path of the memory file. And as you can see in the first part here, it checks that the memory file is actually in the path you've given. You have your checking for installation of the tools, and it starts the carving tools. The script found pickup files, as you can see here, executables. Here is the volatility, processes, event connection, hive lists, registries. As you can see here, you have even users, registry keys. In the end of the script, it gives you the sum of the files extracted and everything is zipped up and you have the log file. I combine multiple tools as Spinwalk for embedded files, Foremost to carve out content, Bulk Extractor to pull human readable strings or pickup files, Volatility for deepened memory forensics, like finding processes, registry keys, and user information. Each tool added a different layer to the investigation. So I think it's a key thing for SOC members or research team